friends, welcome to the second part of replacing sentences and word choices within a text and within writing. I believe this video is for Miss Gonzalez's class. It is for my homeroom class, Miss Keenan's class, and it is for Miss Boring's class. This is not for Miss Miser's class, so if you are in Miss Miser's class and you are watching this video, click off of it and go do something else with your day, okay? I love you, but this video is not for you because we finished this yesterday. The other 3 rotations did not. So first, make sure that you have your writer's notebook and you have a pencil and you're ready to go. We are going to piggyback off of step 1, which was we were replacing a word. Remember the 3 steps that were identifying a word that needed to be replaced, finding the meaning or the context of that word, and then finding a synonym or a better fit word for it, okay? Next, we are going to work on number 2. Now, a lot of us already have these notes started, so if you do, cool. Speed up the video a little bit. If you don't, just catch up. Replace a sentence. Okay? There's going to be 2 word choices that you're going to see on the STAR test that lets you know that you are replacing. The first one is going to be literally replace. Okay? And the second one is combine. If it's asking you to combine a sentence, it's asking you to replace that sentence, okay? There's going to be 3 steps, okay? The first step is going to be circle all things different in answer choice. Okay. Second step is if there, can y'all see this? Let's scoot it up a little bit. Is a period in the middle of the sentence, delete it. Okay. 3, check fanboy meanings and look for awubises. AAA WW UBBIS. Okay, so it says check fanboy's meaning and look for awubises. Okay, so next you are going to.
Keenan?
Yes, ma'am.
I need Dinah to stay to the office for early dismissal.
She's in the cafeteria.
She's in the cafeteria?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, y'all. Anyways, okay, and the last one is make sure whatever answer choice y'all chooses, make sure answer choice is on topic. Okay, after you write down those 4 steps, make sure that you have your second question. The balls fell. Okay. Question number 2 is what we did not get to yesterday. You're going to glue it in. Do not use a lot of glue. Just smatter it around. And, attach it. Okay. After you do that, we are going to go through our answer choices and the steps that we wrote down in order to make sure, it makes sense, okay? So I'm going to start off with circling everything that's different in these answer choices. Okay, making sure they all end with punctuation. All right, so the next step is to, if there's a period in the middle of the sentence, delete it. We don't have any of those, so we're going to move on. Check the fanboy's meaning and look for an awubis. So means because of here. And I noticed that there's a fanboy right here, but there's not a comma. So in this answer choice, you're going to put missing a comma. That's how we know that one is incorrect, because it does not have a comma. And if we're going to have a compound sentence, which is complete on the left and complete on the right, it takes two to make it right, including a comma and a fanboy. Then if it doesn't have a comma, it's not right, okay? Because, I want you to put a box around this word because. A sentence should never start with because, all right? That's going to directly correlate to answer choice A here in a second, and I'll show you why. But if it starts with the actual literal word because, or the word and, it is not a true sentence, all right? So I've got this word so in answer choice A, which means because of. Anytime you see because of, okay, it needs to go back to the beginning of that answer choice. If it says so as your fanboy, if you are able to write the word because in front and delete the word so and still have it make sense, it is the correct answer choice. Because there were several people ahead of her in line, she had some time to decide, okay? That makes sense because shows you because this happened, then that happened. Because there were several people in front of her line, she had time to decide. That's just like if you're waiting at McDonald's and you don't know what you want to eat. You have plenty of time to decide if there's lots of people in front of you, okay? So I think that one might be it, but now I'm going to go to B. There were several people ahead of her in line, comma, she. What are we missing here, people? If there's a comma, what are we missing? Oh, that's right, we're missing a fanboy. Okay? If we have our commas, but there's no fanboy, it is not a compound sentence. So the only answer choice that is left is A. All right, now your next step is after you have done this, you need to get your half sheet of paper. Hold on, let me go get it. Okay? Your half sheet of paper, and you are going to answer question number 3. Okay? We did question number 4 yesterday, but it's your job to answer question number 3. Once you've answered question number 3, make sure your name is at the top, turn it in, and you are good to go. All right, my loves, I'm signing off. Please, 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 please make sure that you are doing your job for the sub, and you are being nice and kind and respectful. And I think that's all. Okay, love you, bye.